Here's a quick video on how your clients can upload documents via the Expert Pro Client portal. If your client has an existing portal login created when you send an application link or invite them to complete an application, they can log in using their registered email and password. If you send a document request without an application request, clients will need to use a PIN to upload documents securely. Watch our video on the PIN system for more details. When you send a document request, the client will receive an email. They must click on the Upload Documents link within the email, and they will be redirected to the client portal. They'll log into their portal with their email and password and be redirected to their dashboard. If multiple applications are linked to their email, they'll need to select the current application. From the dashboard, they'll go to the Documents section, where they'll see the list of requested documents. Clicking on the document type will show the Upload button. After selecting the file from their desktop, they can upload it. Once uploaded, you can view and review the document in your broker portal and mark it as fulfilled. That's how your client can upload documents using the Expert Pro Client portal.